Welcome to the side panel tutorial of Typing Helper. This is the one feature that I really wanted to get created for my own use, and I know you're gonna love it. And this is what makes this software really unique and this particular Chrome extension. So let me show you what I mean. So obviously, when you may have used other tools, you may be responding to an email and you need to put your shortcut. But to be honest, people don't remember. It's not easy to remember. And even typing it in, it's can be a little bit tricky sometimes. Now, what we did is instead of just creating a little pop-up, we have created a side panel. So this is the actual website of Typing Helper. This is where you can add shortcuts and organize everything and all that stuff. But when you are using a website, it doesn't matter if you're answering an email, or in this case, I'm going to show you an example of me answering or sending a message to somebody who tried to join my community and they should not be joining. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on this icon right here, which opens the side panel of Typing Helper. Now, if you're not logged in, it's going to ask you to log in like so, and you'll need to do the magic link. You're going to get the same Typing Helper magic link, the same way as if you're logging to your own account, the same way with the Chrome extension. So you're going to click on login instantly, and then you will be all set. Now, when you do that, it will say Typing Helper success, you're in. Simply reopen the extension to get started. Now, what you're going to do is you will need to refresh the extension. It will load the shortcuts, and then you will see the side panel. Now, here's what's cool. I can already see that based on usage count, I can see which one I use the most. So all the top ones are going to appear at the top. Now, I know that the one that I want to send this particular person is actually this one right here. Now, I can type in query school, so / query school, and that's one option, and it will appear. But another option is I can literally from the side panel, I just put the cursor right here, the text cursor, and I simply click on this, and that's it. And now it will automatically populate. Now I can click on enter, and the message is automatically sent. Another example is when somebody responds to my email for the first time, they're new to my email list, then I like to get to know them on a more personal level. And so what I do is I click on reply, and I can do one of two things. I can type in / love, and then it will automatically appear. Look, love to hear more about your business or idea for business. Feel free to share. Or alternatively, I can actually do the same thing from here, from the side panel, when I literally type it in. Now, here's where I wanted you to use Typing Helper and to be able to use this really intelligently. You can basically go to your Gmail and type in label and unread like so. And then you're going to see all your unread emails. And then with those unread emails, you can basically go through one by one and keep the side panel open. That way you can use all the things that you have created, all the text shortcuts to be able to save you time and be really efficient with your email responses.